Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan 5x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to number 5 over cosine 5x squared dx. Because we don't have number 5, so we need to divide both sides by number 5. Next, we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 0, that is from here. So we put number 0 cone here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 0. When x equals to b over 20, so I will put this one gone here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 1. So number 0 we keep same. This one we change by number 1. Tan 5x we change by u. dx over cosine 5x squared from here we change by du over number 5. So the integration of e to the power of u, we have e to the power of u over 5. And we put the bounds from number 0 to number 1. And now we have the final answer. And we have e minus number 1 over number 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.